Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today it looks like a mess. We're all sliding everywhere, and I think to better explain this, I'm gonna have to go all the way back to the beginning. I'm breathing heavy because I'm trying to grab all my camera stuff, and we're going to Komoka Provincial Park for a beautiful walk today. I'm gonna bring the drone for some cool shots, and of course the camera, and all my lenses, and the camera bag and stuff, so hopefully we'll get some cool shots. Please come with me. It would be an honor to have you. Let's go. Let's go. A little bit, yeah. Oh man. Ooh. It's all part of the fun. Oh man. Got him. That's not funny. That really hurt.
That really hurt.
I fell on the ice.
Well, you didn't go down, you kind of slid.
Yeah, because it was that or I land on my camera bag.
You can't stop.
This is too much. I thought it would be funny.
Hey, should we turn around and go back?
No, we paid $5 to get here. We paid $5. We're gonna stay. Yeah, but it's so pretty. Hello everyone, and welcome to a super slippery vlog where we're gonna get lots of thrills and spills, and hopefully I don't end up on the ground with my camera in pieces. I'm sliding right now as we speak. So is my mom, so is my little brother. Come with us and try not to fall or get stuck. Okay, I actually ate it. That was an actual fall. Got another one. I almost ate it too. Oh man! Alrighty, so the problem with where we live is not that it's just really cold, because it is really cold, but it's that we have this weird freeze-thaw cycle where it'll get cold, snow, then it'll warm up, everything will turn to like this slush or water, and then it'll freeze again. And then it'll stay cold for a period of time, and that's where this happens, is where everything basically just turns to ice. And we're out here sliding on it. Like we've fallen. We've fallen. We're gonna keep falling. It's not fun. Do it.
I thought you were going to hit your face and your teeth. I was like, oh, on your teeth.
Come up here, please. I don't want to fall.
You saved yourself. Heading for the trees.
Okay, over here. Come on down.
thought I could control myself. We're all struggling. Despite all the slipping and everything, if I'm being totally honest, I'm more comfortable having my camera in my hand when it goes down versus like in my bag or my pocket when I go down, because at the very least, if I fall, I can hold my camera up high and it's not gonna, like, nothing's gonna happen to it. Whereas if I keep it in my pocket, sure, I don't have to carry it, but at the same time, I could sit on it. Until this point, everything that we've done has been downhill. Now, I think it's gonna be hilarious again. Like, my little brother and mom are already gonna fall. Like, as I said that, they almost went down. Look at what he's holding on to. Look at what he's holding on to.
A twig.
Oh my god.
Are you okay? All right, so as we near the end of our adventure, I'm gonna say goodbye. We spent pretty much our entire time trying not to fall like I'm doing right now. And instead of taking pictures, yeah, so pretty much that the entire time. It's just a compilation of William and I and my mom all trying not to fall and to save each other. So, see you guys in the next one. Peace.